Today's template is the Kinder Egg card template. So I'm going to show you guys how to design them to your liking with the template from my website, thecraftprintshop.com. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're just finding me, get your template, watch the rest of the video so you can see how to decorate yours and assemble. Once you've purchased your template and you download your receipt, you will see in the PDF that it has a link that'll bring you right here. If you're watching this video and you did not purchase your template and you came maybe from Instagram or YouTube and you just found this video, you can find the template at thecraftprintshop.com. So we're going to start by selecting use template for new design. Edit template won't be there. That's just for me. Once you select that, it'll bring you to Canva. Now you're using the free version. If you want to do more edits in here, it would be best for you to get the paid version, which is the Canva Pro for $12.99 per month, and I'll show you the difference with it. So now what you're seeing here, one side is the front. This side here will be the back. We're going to design them however we want. I'm going to show you how to save, print, and then how to assemble, right? So you can, this background color, I have it locked on both of them. And I have a pre-decorated one for you guys, and you could change it. I'll show you how. So the color, if you want a different color, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go over to the left, select a new square, right? You're going to size it exactly to the size I have it here, right? Now, if you want a design, you can get, if you have digital paper, you can bring it in and you do the same thing and size it exactly. Let's see if we can find any in Canva. Go to Elements. And then we'll do Easter since Easter is right around the corner. So right here, you see these photos? We're going to click See All. And they have different backgrounds, right? These are really cute. I don't know, something about this one is cute, but it's not really Easter, you know? Let's take that out of there. Let's try, I love the ones with the stuff on the bottom. This has stuff on the top. Let's select this. Now, you see the little crown that's next to the image? This means you need the Canva Pro or Premium, right? And you'll have to pay extra. The ones without it, like this one that doesn't have it, this one also doesn't have it. Neither does this or this one. You can use with the free Canva. Let's choose this one. We're going to line it up, extend it, the exact same size, right? So this will be one with an image. This will be one with just a color. I don't want this tan color. Let's select color right here. Come over to the colors panel and let's find something. So we have gradient. See, it's like a fade. That's cute too. But I'd rather just a color. Let's choose some pink. That's too hot. So you're going to go right here to add new color and just scale down to give us a little Easter pinkish kind of something, right? This is it. You're going to click position. You're going to select backward. And you see, now you have the hole right there. Same with this one. Select backward. And that's where our egg is going to lay. Now, you want to put some words. You can go to text. They have some fonts paired together for you if you want to use. Remember, if it's the star, you need the Canva. I keep saying Pro. I guess it's Canva Premium, right? If not, you can type in, just select a font. Type in whatever you want. Let's say if we're just putting Happy Easter, right? Go right here, and this is the font panel, and you can select different fonts. This one is cute. We'll use that one. We'll use, let's just bring in right there. We'll use this on this one. Happy Easter. Let's change the color. Let's see. Right here, Canva will choose the colors that's within your image. So let's choose that green, like a dark green. That's cute. If you want it to stand out a little bit, go to Effect. And we're going to choose lift. You see, it gives it that shadow. You can bring the shadow down a little bit and it'll stand out. So that'll be for this one. Then for this one here, we're going to go into elements. We're going to type in Happy Easter. Also, if you have your own images and things like that you want to bring in, you can just go to upload and upload the images you want to put in here. So I'm going to go back to elements. I really love this one. Oh, but it doesn't have a, I don't like the white background. I don't like that. Let's see. I don't know if it'll allow us to remove the background. Let's see. Yes, it does. I like this one, the little grass. So also that background remover option, that is a premium option as well. Look at how cute that is. All right, let's see what other, let's go to all. See all. So you see all these signs here that say Happy Easter. Even if you wanted to put something different on the back, look at this one. I like this one better. Let's take out the grass. Let's put this little bad boy here. Right? We have some peeps if you wanted to add them in there. Bunny ears, maybe right above the egg. You know, however you want to design it, right? I like the little random eggs. I'm going to go here to see all. When you select, they give you like recommendations of similar items to the item that you did pick. So I'm not going to overdo it with the design, but it's just to show you how you would utilize. Let's put some more eggs all across the bottom, little Easter eggs down there. Let me see what else I like. I'm going to look for some flowers. So I'm going to type in the search. I don't know what I'm going to get. Easter flowers. Let's see what we get. You know what? Let's type in Easter frame. Let's try that. I want to see if I can find a frame that can go around like the egg shape. Not necessarily round, but more oval. So that when I cut the egg out, because we're going to cut into the egg. Oh, I like this. I like this. All right, let's leave that like that. Does this match better? This kind of matches this better. Let's delete that. Delete that. Put the little grass like lower to the bottom. That's cute. I want them smaller. I'm going to do a duplicate. Put it here. I might need to make it a little bit. And if you go outside of the line, that's fine because we're going to be cutting and trimming this. So let's position. We're changing the position. I want to put the pink on top for now, just for me to change the color. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to look for some, this is better. Like it's one of the colors in this frame. So it it looks better. So I'll go back to position and drop that behind the egg. I like this better. This needs to go though now. Now let's change. So basically what I'm showing you is the process of how you would decorate these eggs and choose whatever you want, you know? Look at all these frames that you have options to go through. I'm going to go back just to get a different Happy Easter sign and fully decorate this to your liking. Look at, let's try this one. Oh, the colors don't match. I want something that's going to give me the same like watercolor effect. Also too, with this option, you can customize and add the child's name. That's the best part. Let me type Easter watercolor. And you can make these to match any theme, no matter what you're doing. Birthday party. Let's try East. I did Easter watercolor. I don't like any of them. I don't want to waste y'all time because I just wanted to just show you the process. I do like doing these like this because, oh, let's take this. And what we can do is Happy Easter, right? Let's make it a little bit smaller in here, like that. And then click on the pink and choose a pink that matches. Just get the colors. I think I like the blue. And the inside, maybe the darker blue. How that looks. Not bad. Let's go to edit and let's see if we can give it a shadow to make it stand out a little more. Let's bring that shadow down. That's a little dark there. Not that bad, but not that great. Let's try the blur. A little intensity. Bring the intensity down. All right, I'll take it. I'll take it because we don't want to be here forever. I just want to show you the process. Now, I also want to show you guys you can add an image if you want. Go to uploads. Upload the image that you want. I'm going to use myself as the example as usual. You're going to go to background remover. Again, you need the premium, pro, but whatever Canva calls it. And you can add like a little picture. Remember that the white part we're going to be cutting out. So you want to add the picture somewhere where you can see it and you don't want to put a picture like this. And then when you go to cut it out, you cut out the person's head. So make sure you're designing around the Easter egg shape. Okay. Now we have these 4. You're going to go into File, change the name to whatever you want to change it to, and that's going to be saved. Press enter after you type in the name you want to save it as. It's going to be saved on your Canva account. You're going to go to share. You're going to hit download. Go to PDF print. Then you're going to flatten PDF. Now here, if you want to print both, send both to print, you could do it how it is, like just how the default is, selecting both. I only want to print this sheet. So I unchecked everything and just selected page 1. Done. Download. And you only need like a thick cardstock to print this on. And we're going to use, you can use either double-sided tape or the glue gun to glue it together. But I'm going to show you how to do everything. So now that we have our print, we're going to go to File, Print. I'm using the Epson EcoTank 16600. Go to your media. I'm going to send it to the rear feeder. Photo high gloss paper, and it defaults to best quality, and I'm going to send that to print. Okay, so we have our print. I actually went back and printed it on the matte paper instead of the glossy. Now you can use your scissors. Regardless, you're going to need a small scissors, and I'll show you. So I just separate the two, and I'm going to use my paper trimmer. Okay, so we have our cards cut. This line in the middle is where you would do your fold. If you have like a folding bone and the scoring board, it'd have been perfect to make your score right here. If not, just fold. This is a thicker paper. I'm gonna get a mat. I was looking for a ruler, but I don't know where I put it, so I'm gonna use my Cricut mat to line up with the score line. Right there, and use my scoring stylus to press down on that line. And it folds in, and I'm gonna fold it out. There we go. Perfect. Then with the pink one, you can use anything with a straight line. Line it up. And then fold it. Now, your egg. Now, this is where I say having a small pair of scissors will help. We're going to just nip right inside of there. Go in. You're not going for the egg. You're going in circles because that's going to give you leeway now to cut smoothly into the egg, right? And wherever you want to stop, come up into your egg design and start cutting. And that way, we're going to go into the egg and start going with the size of the egg. You're not bending your paper. And you cut your egg shape out. So let's do the same here. You're going to nip it in the middle. Just go in, start going in circles, or else you end up bending your cardstock, all right? And there you have it, your egg. If you want to trim that, you don't want to see it, but the egg equals up here. So let's show you. So you place the egg in, and it fits your egg design. So you can use, after you put in the egg, right? You can use the glue gun to glue it. Today, I'm going to use double-sided tape. So we're going to line up our double-sided tape. Place our egg. And we have a card, and it's staying. And if you want that off, you could just trim it. And there you have your egg card. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you're new, this template is on my website, thecraftprintshop.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you for the next template and upload.